Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken dum biryani. Start by gathering your rice, chicken, spices, and herbs, then rinse and soak the basmati rice for 30 minutes. Marinate the chicken with yogurt, spices, and salt for at least 30 minutes to build deep flavor. Prepare sliced onions and fresh herbs while the chicken marinates, and set up a heavy pot for layering and slow steaming. Parboil the soaked basmati rice until it reaches about 70% cooked, then drain and set aside. While rice cooks, sear the marinated chicken in a hot pan to caramelize the spices and seal in juices. Fry thinly sliced onions until they are deeply golden for both flavor and texture. Keep your layering station ready with fresh herbs, saffron milk, and warm ghee for the final dum process. Layer the seared chicken and parboiled rice in alternating tiers, adding fried onions and fresh herbs between each layer for balanced flavor. Drizzle saffron steeped in warm milk and spoon melted ghee across the layers to infuse aroma and richness. Press layers gently, seal the pot with dough or a snug lid, and steam on very low heat for 25 to 35 minutes to let the dum technique cook everything evenly and tenderly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.